Did you know that Chrome has a hidden feature that can completely change the way you browse the internet? Instead of having a messy row of tabs at the top, you can move them to the side and keep everything clean and organized in seconds. What's even more interesting is that this feature has been available in Microsoft Edge for a long time, while Chrome users have been requesting it for years. And now Google is finally starting to roll it out. In this video, I'll show you how to enable vertical tabs in Google Chrome step by step, even if the feature is not showing on your device. And just to make everything clear, I already wrote a full article about this on my blog with detailed steps and images. On some devices, this feature won't appear by default, so we will enable it manually. The first thing we need to do is update Chrome. So we open Chrome and type this in the address bar: settings/help. Chrome will immediately start checking for updates, and if one appears, just restart the browser. Next, we move to the hidden settings. Open a new tab and type flags/vertical tabs. Here you will find experimental settings, including the vertical tabs option. Now change the option from default to enable. Then restart the browser by clicking Relaunch to apply the changes. After Chrome reopens, don't expect everything to change automatically. This is the important step. Go to the tab bar, right-click on any empty space, then select Show Tabs Vertically. And in just one moment, all your tabs will move to the side in a completely new layout. Now a quick question. Do you prefer the new layout or the classic one? If you want to switch back, it's exactly the same process. Right-click again, then choose Show Tabs Horizontally, and everything will instantly return to normal. Try it yourself, because even though this feature looks simple, it can completely change the way you use your browser.